Bill here from Zultys, and today we're going to talk about a new feature in ZAC 7, the ability to use call attached data, or CAD for short. And basically that's a great way of taking notes on a call. You can have pick lists, you can get information about a call, and we call this call attached data because the data is actually attached to that call. So when you transfer the data to another agent, that data goes along with the call, and you can run reports on that, on those call attached data values, the CAD values. So let me show you what that looks like in action. And basically you can use CAD anywhere on the system. So you can use it, it's most commonly used in call groups, but you can actually use it for individual users as well. And each group can have a different template. So this is a customized form that can be designed. So let me log into the ZAC application and log into the call group. So I'm already logged into this call group, but I can log in and out of call groups. So it's basically a feature you add to the call group. And now I'm going to simulate a call coming into that call group. So here the call is coming in. I can see it in ZAC. I can answer the call here. I can answer the pop-up here, or I could just pick up the handset. So I'm going to go ahead and answer it right here. So now I've answered the call, and I have all of the choices for managing the call up here. I can see who's calling, what call group it is. I can disconnect the call, all of these other features that I have. But now what I can see below is this area for call attached data, or CAD for short. And you can have different kinds of objects. We can have pick lists, so we can pick from a list of choices. We can have checkboxes, and we can have forms, the field that you fill out the information. And so now you can go ahead and enter that information. I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now that information is part of the call. If I transfer this call to another agent, that agent will be able to see it, and we can also run reports on it. So CAD is a great way of being able to keep track of information about the call. Those CAD values can be populated like I'm doing it here as an agent, or you can set it up as auto attendant choices, pressing 1 for new customer, 2 for existing customer, any of those choices. Those can pre-populate the call attached data so that when you get the call, you not only know who's calling, you know what call group it is, so you know what role you're playing, and you may know a little bit about the call, if this is a new or existing customer. So this is the call attached data feature. It's a free feature of our system. It works in all of the call group types, and you can get the information either like I did, the agent fills it out, auto attendant choices, or with our IVR and scripting, you can even do a data dip from another database application, an external database application, and pull that data into the ZAC application. So this is a great feature, really extends the functionality of the Zultys phone system and makes it even better. So thanks for watching this webinar in another series of webinars and tutorials on the Zultys product line of business phone systems. Thank you very much.